Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me again, Teacher Farah, and today we'll be doing a lesson on buttoning. Very good. So over here, as you can see, I've got two different buttoning frames. I have one with small buttons and one with slightly bigger buttons. So what you can do is, because I know you don't have these frames at home, what you can do is you can ask mommy or daddy to help you find some different shirts. For example, like your school uniform. I know that we have buttons there. So just find different kinds of shirts or pants that have buttons, and you can do this along with me, okay? So let's start with the bigger buttons first. Let me put this aside. It's quite simple, everyone. What we want to do is basically you can start with it closed. You have to use your thumb to hold the button, pull it to your right, okay? Pull it to your right while your left hand pulls this part of the shirt or whatever cloth that you have, pull it to the left. Then you push it on top of the button while you are pushing the button out. Ta-da! That's how you do it. I'll show you one more time. Pull and then push out. Okay? So basically we start with the pull. Pull it in each other's direction and then push. You can get your mommy and daddy to show you a slow down version of this. Change the setting on YouTube, okay? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, take your time to open it up. Okay, so that's how you open the big buttons. Now let's do closing. Now closing is basically the same thing, except it's in reverse. So instead of starting with a pull and then push, we are going to push and then pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pulling both sides, both the button and the cloth. Okay, once again, push and then pull. The more you do it, the easier it may become. Push and pull. Okay, don't worry if you can't get it at first. Just keep trying and do it again and again, and eventually you'll be able to do it. I'll show you the smaller buttons now, okay? Okay, the smaller buttons will be a bit tricky because you have some, it's smaller to hold on to. But don't worry, use your nimble fingers, okay? And repeat the same motion. Pull, then push. Pull, push. Okay, repeat this until you've completed it. Ta-da! Okay, and then again, remember what I said. So when you're opening the button, it's pull and then push. But if you're closing the button, it's push and then pull. Okay? Try to see what works best for you. Push and then pull. You can use, you can push down on the button to help you pull it out. Push and then pull, like that. Okay? You're doing a very good job, I'm sure. Ta-da! And that's how you do buttoning. Good job on the buttoning, everyone. Now let's move on to the next part. We'll be covering something called buckling. Okay? So this is a buckle frame. If you don't have a buckle frame, you can ask mommy or daddy to help you find belts, because belts have buckles, or anything else in your house that may have a buckle that looks like this. Okay? Ask them for permission to use it while you're watching this video with me. Okay? So this is how the buckle looks like when it's closed. It's all tucked in and it's in place, and this is how it looks like when it's open. So there's two parts, okay? There's the part with the actual buckle, and there's the part with the strap. So this strap, if you notice, there's a few holes. How many holes are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3 holes, okay? The holes are for the different sizes. If you put a hole that's closer to the buckle, it will be looser, okay? If you put it at the last buckle, it will be a tight, firm strap, okay? Now, so how do we begin this? We have to put it in. put it into this half first, then pull it up. Pull, pull, pull. Let's go for the second hole first, okay? So once that's in here already, okay, pull it down and push it into this hole. Now, where's this hole? For visual aid, please look at where my finger is. Yes, my finger is here. And put it there. Pull it from the back. You see the tail here? Pull this. And voila. That is your done buckle. Now let's look at the difference, okay? This buckle is longer. If I put it on the third hole like this one, it's shorter. Okay? Loose, tight. Loose, tight. Alright, let's open this up. Now, how are we going to open it? Just reverse the steps that we just did. Okay? Push this out first. Push, push, push. And it becomes a bridge. Okay? Put your finger in and pull it out. Ta-da! So then now we just have to take out this part of the buckle. Okay, this is a bit tricky. You have to push it up. Push it up, pull it, and then you will come out of the hole. Then that's it. You just have to pull the strap open. Ta-da! Okay? So watch the step by step and try it on your own buckles. Bye everybody!